Welcome to my vlog. This is Gemma, ang momshi ng mga bagets kahit for girls. And this is my husband holding the phone. Say hi!
Hi.
Okay, we are now here in Gompers Park at maglalakad kami dito. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So medyo maaraw pero ang lamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Oh, ang hirap dito sa Chicago. Sobrang lamig talaga. 4 seasons kasi here in Chicago. Summer, spring, winter, and fall. Pero hindi yung sunod-sunod. Tapos na yung fall. So, welcome winter! Kaya lang wala pang snow. Okay, see you later. Maglalakad tayo. Ipakikita namin sa inyo kung saan-saan yung paglalakaran namin mag-asawa. Bye! See you later! Alligator! Lakad na kami. See the surroundings. Malaking park ito. Ito yung aming leisure time, Saturday and Sunday. See to it na makapaglakad kami kahit once a week. Yeah. Yun, nangunguna na naman yung asawa ko. Araw. So, marami rin naglalakad kahit lockdown. Pero malalayo naman yung distance namin. So, sige, see you later. Hinihingal na si Mamsi. Ay, nako. Lakad-lakad. Bye-bye tayo, bye. Maglalakad na kami uli. Pagkatapos namin mag-picture, maglalakad na kami. Come on! Let's do the walking. Let's walk. Come on, baby. Here we are walking. Ayan. Go. That. Ito yung aming mapa ng lalakaran namin. Oh, see? North Branch Trail, Iris Hernandez Family Picnic Area. We are here, down here. We are here, and then we go up there. Just joking. Just joking. Okay, let's walk. Let's walk. Ayan yung kanino namin, oh. Yan, lakad-lakad. You go here, not there. Ayaw niya sa step, dito gusto niya. Baba. Kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, right, left, left, left. On your march. Hindi natatakbo. Mabari, walang march. Nandun dito tayo ni Scorto. 1, 2, 3. Left. Left, left, right. Hold my hand. Wait. May natakbo kasi. No one behind us. There's a river. Ayun, may river. Ay, layo na rin ang nilalakad namin. You think we can do it?
No, I don't think we can. Yes, we can do it. The question.
So, pakikita ko sa inyo, yung marami din ditong homeless. Homeless dito sa Chicago. Tingnan mo, dito sila nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay. Oh, see. Oh, yeah. Wow. Ayan, no? Yan sila nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay. My God. Are you tired? No, okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go up there. Here. Ito ang Gompers Park. Ayan. Walang lamang tubig. Siyempre, malamig. So, okay. Wow. Nice tree. Bakit kami? Oh, ganda ng view. Oh, dapat palubog na yung araw. Oh. That's nice shot. Yun yun, wala na yung mga dahon. Tapos na yung fall. Wala na yung dahon. Tapos na yung fall. Pa-winter na. Winter na raw. Pagpunta kami dyan sa beach. Layo na rin. Kalungkot. Pakita mo lang yung puno. Lulungkot na ako. Gusto ko nang muli na sila. Punta kami. Doon sa bridge. No kami papunta sa bridge. Ayun. Ayun. We can go there. No. Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta daw dyan. Delikado. Baka malunod. Yan. Dito na kami sa bridge. Uy, they camp bro. There's a lot of people. What that place? Oh, what is that, babe? There is house there. Look, someone's living there, I think. So, balik na kami sa parking. Yo. Yes, yo. Hi guys! Nagbabalik para magpaalam. Tapos na kaming maglakad. Hingal na hingal ako, okay? Say bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Paalam na po si Mamshi. Bye!